I will try frog legs. Ugh. Hey guys, it's your boy Roman here again with another video, and this week yes it's we because I will be joined by a friend of mine. So we will be trying fast food restaurants in France. So that is McDonald's, Burger King and KFC. So of the three, which is the best? Will we vomit? Can we handle 3 full meals? There's only one way to find out. So before we go on guys, just to let you know, the video has already been recorded, but while editing it I realized that the songs that were playing at the fast food restaurant at the time were too loud, and because I don't want copyright strikes, I have muted the video. So I'll make it short and interesting. Hope you guys enjoy it. And before I go on, if this video gets 5,000 likes, me vegetarian, me vegan, well I'm not vegan, I will try escargot. But if the video gets 10,000 likes, I will try frog legs. Ugh, that's not pleasant to me. So let's raise up those likes. Please don't. Alright, thank you guys. So see you in a few. Ciao ciao.
Round 1.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
Alright, so it's off to Burger King. Yeah, it's so hard to hold my umbrella. I can't even see because of the sunlight. You see, it's literally hard to see.
I just see fingers.
So
We meant to be in the great outdoors forever.
Round 2.
right, so trying to go healthy. So that's the salad. So let's dig in. All right.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me.
Alright, so that's KFC, baby. Yeah.
Meant to be in the great outdoors.
Round 3.
Alright, good. So we're at our final restaurant, guys. It's KFC. So the bus ride is pretty long. How long was the bus ride?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. So that gave us time to burn some calories. So, one thing to note though is that, this is very interesting. They have a code thing here, and that's how you do the refill or the drink thing. So that means that if your cup doesn't have that unique barcode, then you can't get the drink, which is interesting. Back home, people cheat the system all the time. They just put something there and they fill their containers. That's interesting.
But back in the days, there were no QR code, so we could refill it
as many times
as we want. Yeah.
So this is on one time.
Yeah.
Just one time.
Yeah.
There's no refill. So minus 1 point. Minus 1 point. So this is the smallest of all sandwich.
I would say that it's the regular size of a sandwich in France.
French people don't eat a lot. French people need to visit America or Jamaica. It's chicken, huh? This is fish.
Oh, it's really small. Yours is really small.
Can I see? There's not even any tomatoes.
Well, I'm pretty fine with that. It's spicy.
Is it
spicy.
fish?
Yeah, apparently. Yeah. It doesn't taste like.
It doesn't taste like fish. It's like I'm tasting the crust and the fry. This is the worst. This is hardly the worst. This is disappointing. The taste, it's bland. The fish has no. The previous season's fish didn't have spices and peppery, but they had taste, flavor.
This one, no.
I took the fish out of the sea, put it in the fryer, and serve it with a lot of butter. Get there. It's filled with ketchup.
Well, mine too.
Did they give us napkins?
Oh no.
They didn't. That's a down too. They give us no napkins.
But we're gonna get them.
Yeah. Fair enough. All right. So in order for me to beat you, or we tie, I have to drink 1 bottle of water, right?
What? It's already finished.
Yeah. Sorry to finish. So that was for the shake you didn't finish.
Well, if you drink the other one, we could say you definitely beat me.
Let's see this. It needs salt.
Right.
So
Yeah,
Best-
they lose a point here.
there's a point there, but the quality, as in the texture, is all right. Just the texture is all right, just no salt. So you're not going to finish the fries.
Oh, I don't think so.
So that means you didn't eat the fries. But I've eaten all my desserts, including the corn. So I win. No?
Yeah, you win. But
But-
when you told me we were gonna make a eating competition, we didn't mention that it was this day. So I will get revenge.
Sure. So let's finish this. Have you finished?
No. What?
We'll finish first.
Okay.
You're winning. Like
Yeah.
it's like here. You're winning. Yeah, let's
Yeah,
go.
go for it.
Finish. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, I like.
So you win.
Who doesn't like winning? All right. I broke it. All right. So basically that's it, guys. So thank you so much for collaborating. That was pretty
Thank
cool.
you for inviting.
Oh, definitely. So basically, we're going to give our final review of the 3 restaurants. Before that, guys, please remember to, if you like this video, you would take a big thumbs up. I don't know, big thumbs up. Like, which version is like? I think like is this way.
The light is this way.
Yes, yeah. So just please give it a like, share it, and so forth. So let's review the restaurant. So sandwich-wise, size-wise, which restaurant wins size-wise?
Definitely Burger King.
It was bigger in Burger King.
Yeah,
Then
the
Burger King
sandwich
wins.
was bigger in Burger King.
Burger King wins size-wise. In terms of the quality of the bun,
Burger King too.
I'm tied between Burger King and McDonald's for just the quality of the bun because I think both were good.
Yeah, but I don't know. I think it's more elaborated in Burger King.
Okay, I could see what you're saying. But in terms of the sandwich overall, which sandwich would you say is better?
If we speak in terms of calorie,
No, just taste, like a feel good taste.
Burger King.
I don't know, I'd say McDonald's because for me, Burger King was good, but what makes McDonald's stand out above Burger King is the sauce. It's so memorable that it leaves you wanting more, so to speak.
Yeah.
It's not an excellent sauce, it's just something that's peculiar to me, so it's like, I think I would try that again.
Well, I think that they have their special sauce, which may be the special Big Mac sauce or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, they're definitely more original than Burger King.
Alright, but fries, so who would win? So fries.
But I'm split between the two because, well, in terms of quality of the fries, Burger King has my point. But in terms of quantity, McDonald's is better.
Alright, McDonald's gives a lot of fries. I like McDonald's fries because it's salty there, it's really crispy. Burger King, great texture, great texture, perfect texture. It was missing something, but they're both good. But I would choose McDonald's. I think they give more.
Yeah.
I would choose them because, like you said, the sandwich for me, McDonald's, sandwich for you, Burger King, fries for me, McDonald's, fries for you, Burger King.
But nothing for KFC.
Alright, so drink. Well, the drinks. I chose water. And I chose water all throughout except for this one. So I don't know.
I took two Cokes and one Oasis.
It's the same, no?
It's the same. Also, it's not specific to the fast food, so.
Alright, so if you were to recommend, one of these restaurants to someone, which one would you recommend? Like, which one? So the prices are relatively the same.
Yeah, but Burger King is a bit more expensive.
Alright, so Burger King is more expensive. Based on price, would say goes to one for KFC, one for McDonald's.
But definitely McDonald's, because I don't know the price of the other menus here, but yeah, the price should go to my point should go to McDonald's.
Alright, so I'm giving the point here because I don't know why KFC hasn't gotten a point, and I think we should give them a point.
So McDonald's wins for you.
Yeah, if I were to compare the three of them using the number one as the best.
Well, it's more. I would say McDonald's and Burger King fries.
Okay.
Because KFC is definitely in the.
It's even below minimum, below average.
Yeah. So I would say Burger King wins.
Burger King wins. Alright, so thank you so much, guys. I mean, this is a very interesting challenge. I think I've gained a lot of weight. We need to walk it off, but it was very good. And this was actually my last time eating fish. Meat, yeah, fish, because after today's vegan, 100% vegan. So thank you again, Callum, and guys, remember to please like this video if you really enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, share, tell your friends about it. Peace out and ciao.